what's up? Let's see. We're gonna do something different. We're gonna do a little vlog. At the same time, we're gonna do a first oil change on this baby. And I'm gonna take you with me to go buy it. We're gonna go to the Yamaha dealership. I didn't call, well I did call, I didn't pick up prior. And they should have it, right? They should have the oil and filter. I mean, it's a Yamaha dealership, why wouldn't they? So yeah, like I said, we're going to the Yamaha dealership to go get some oil filter and do a oil change, while at the same time riding the bike. Honestly, I kind of hate it because I work a lot and I don't have time to ride my motorcycle, and I wish I do. I do commute with her. Oh, look at that doggy. I do commute to my work with the motorcycle, but it's so close. It's not enjoyable, and it's been kind of hot. Plus, I have a child, and those kind of prevent you from riding a little bit, since I have to pick him up from school, and I do not want to carry him on my motorcycle. I mean, he would love it, of course. Yeah, he definitely would love to be picked up in the motorcycle and give him a ride, but no thank you. The drivers in this in these areas, they suck, and I do not want to get clipped. We filled up. We're on our way. It's really fresh. Let's go this way. The bike, she's feeling good. Quick shifter. Yes, please. Music a little lower. Alright, so like I said, I didn't call the dealership to, you know, kind of like stock check the oil filter and the oil, but again, they're a Yamaha dealership, and I would be surprised if they didn't have it in stock. But then again, I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, this engine is in all the platforms. Why wouldn't they carry it? I guess, I don't know. So there you go. Look, that's the deflector right there. It looks good. The windshield screen, windscreen deflector, whatever the hell it's called. I'm just glad it's not hot. See, I'm one to wear gear when I ride, and as much as some people might say squiddy or a noob, I will be a noob with good skin. No road rash if I were to fall, or at least, you know, less likely to get hurt. I mean, to an extent, right? So the other day, right now it's on traction 1 or TCS 1 and then D mode. So I was messing with the modes the other day. And guess what? You know, wheelies get easier when your modes go lower. Who'd have known? So we're gonna do a little commute just to get the filter. I brought my backpack. Let's go get this filter. And then at the same time, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a timestamp on the description of the video if you don't want to see my motovlogging and me, you know, talking, because why wouldn't you? But yeah, of where the oil change is at. So if you want to just skip it, you can. Are you fancy, huh? You're fancy, huh? I mean, the bike is fun, man. And that's, I think, the low power mode. Not low, but like 2. I think 1's the strongest. She picks up. So this is what I'm gonna do. It feels like it's kind of boring, because I'm boring, right? I'm going to possibly cut and warp there. For you guys, for me, it's gonna be enjoyable. For you guys, you just have to, you'll just appear there. Yeah? Yeah, we should do that. So I'm out here, right? And I see the new R7. I'm like, damn, that's so sexy as fuck. Alright? I was like, oh no. Oh no. Someone dropped it. So like I was saying, I see the new R7 and I'm like, sexy, 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 and someone dropped it. Oh no. Oh no! No bueno. So I get the oil to my backpack. It's fucking heavy. You know, I should have got some chain cleaner. Jesus, what a noob. Oil received. We got ourselves oil. Your little, it's 3.5 quarts, I believe. I got me a 4 quarts. Oil filter and a crush washer. Just a simple oil change. It's due. I was supposed to do it at 600 and I'm at 735. No big deal. 100 over, 130 something over. No big deal. Don't shoot me. Now, put on the stands. Stands. Locked and secured. Got myself an oil drain. Recycle the oil. We're gonna take this baby off here. Switch the filter. It's cold. My first oil change. I'm pretty sure every oil change is exactly the same. And yeah. Okay. Alright. 17 mil. Here. Oh shit. I closed that. Okay, much better. Ugh. Alright, you have to get one of these. Hopefully it works. As I was saying, you're gonna need an oil filter wrench. Because that baby is on too tight. Pressure washer. The new filter, the Yamaha Yummy genuine filter. Actually grease it up. Wow, fancy. I'm just gonna put it in. Gonna take off the one. And then I got myself the Yamalube. It's OE. Can't go wrong. The only problem is I'm gonna add oil through this little cap here. So it's kind of hard to add oil there. So I got myself this baby to help me out. Right? I was looking it up. I think it's 3.5 quarts. This is 4 quart in it. Glass indicator, right? It should be roughly in the middle. Oh, I can see there. This low, high. So it should be right there. Alright, after everything's done, start it. Looks like she's running smooth. No leaks, no nothing. Again. Right now it's gonna show low because all the oil's pumped up into the engine. But I'll come back just to check it. Maybe you need a little more. Alright, the one thing I can give advice on is the oil filter wrench. That without that, I probably wouldn't be able to do the oil change. I actually had to leave to go buy one because I didn't have one. And I also bought the wrong one, but it worked. But any oil filter wrench that will lock into that oil filter, get one, because without that, the manufacturer tightened it pretty tight, and it was its first oil change, so it was gonna be tight, so it's kind of inevitable. But if you like the video, hit a like. If you would like to subscribe, go for it. Again, if you guys don't, it's also cool. I'm still gonna make the videos. I don't pump them as fast as I wish I would. You know, life. But as well as if you leave a comment, give me a couple ideas or things you want to see with the bike, I'm more than welcome to, you know, accommodate or put up. You know, even as far as a burnout, putting down a burnout to see how that, you know, performs or looks. Again, I'm not gonna do it yet, but that's an idea. But thanks for watching.